negative competition with other independent cannabis brands. So this is really important, and this is actually a life lesson in a sense of manifestation, how you actually create the reality that you want to experience. And this all comes from thought. So if you're over here thinking bad about other people, or thinking, oh, I hope they fail, or they're not going to make it, or they don't know what they're doing, or this or that, you're actually putting all that harm and energy out towards yourself. So what you want to do is embrace people's struggle, embrace their journey just like yours, and in ways that you can help them out, that you see, because it's all going to come back around. And maybe not directly reciprocated from them, but maybe from this person or this person or this person, and you're just forwarding that energy to someone else. So there's brands out there, there's people out there are negatively competitive. And I'm not saying don't be competitive, and it's like there's a competitive nature, but it's about a friendly competition. Just like if you go to the Olympics, yeah, there's going to be a level of competition, there's going to be a level of frustration or angst if you don't win the medal, but you're not going to be hating on the other person. Ideally, if you have good sportsmanship. I'm sure there's always exceptions to the rule. However, if you're talking about people that do have good sportsmanship, it's the same concept with cannabis brands. We're all out here on the same playing field, and instead of competing against each other as independent brands, compete against the corporate brands. That's who our real competition is, and that's why I'm more than willing to help give out this information, to set up the coaching course, to do all this extra shit. It's tons of stuff behind the scenes you guys don't even understand. And I'm doing this. I could just be doing my own cannabis brand and just focus on that like everyone else and just sit back, vacations, all this stuff. But instead, I got Cannabis Academy, I got Hi Chris, I got Distro California, and these are all independent companies designed to work as partners to really offer all these solutions to people looking to start their own independent cannabis brand. And the reason I'm doing this is because I feel this is the only way to truly fight off the corporate takeover of cannabis.